That SV2I file is a Parallels Desktop 2 incremental snapshot, storing only the changes made since the last virtual machine state was captured. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you manage or restore these virtual machine snapshot files. We're tackling this SV2I file systematically, and I've reserved the most powerful data extraction technique for the end, just in case. SV2I files are incremental snapshot files from Parallels Desktop 2 storing differential disk changes between snapshot points. They capture only the modified data blocks since the last snapshot, enabling efficient storage of multiple virtual machine states without duplicating entire disk images. Parallels SV2I files use a sparse binary format, recording only changed disk sectors since the parent snapshot. They form a chain of incremental changes linked to a base disk image. Each SV2I file references its parent snapshot, creating a sequential restore point hierarchy. Parallels. Desktop for Mac is the standard set by Parallels for accessing the SV2I format. Windows needs confirmation from specialized software for safe data access. Windows displays limited file attributes, while VM managers interpret the internal system. Let's verify the file's compatibility against known readers. Right-click the SV2I file and select Open with. Test Parallels. Desktop for Mac if it appears. If not, choose another program. Different software handles the SV2I format uniquely. If your SV2I file continues to fail when opening, that is okay. A specialized format like SV2I demands specialized preparation. Let's ensure we have all the correct fundamental details checked off on our list. First, managing snapshots. Open Parallels. Desktop and navigate to your virtual machine snapshot manager via Actions, then Manage Snapshots. View the snapshot hierarchy tree to see how SV2I files relate to each other and identify which snapshots you want to keep or remove. Next, reverting to a snapshot. In the snapshot, manager select the desired snapshot point and click Go to revert your virtual machine to that saved state. Parallels will apply the SV2I incremental changes to reconstruct the virtual machine's disk state at the selected snapshot point. Finally, Consolidating Snapshots. To reclaim disk space, delete unnecessary snapshots in the Snapshot Manager by selecting them and clicking Delete. Parallels will merge the incremental SV2I data into the base disk image. This process may take time depending on the amount of differential data being consolidated. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. When specialized tools failed on your file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to filemagick.com for the program. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.